Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove background noise in Capcut PC. So first, you need to go to Capcut's official website. Then, open it. Now, choose the type of video you want to make and click Create. And then, upload your video from your local device, Dropbox, Google Drive, or simply use the drag and drop function. Then select your track to make adjustments. Finally, click Video and Cut Out. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.